Here's an overview of the Tesla Model 3. General information, production, 2017 present, body style, 4-door sedan, 5-door liftback, layout, rear-wheel drive, RWD, all-wheel drive, AWD, features, Autopilot, advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, with semi-autonomous capabilities, Supercharger network, access to Tesla's vast network of fast charging stations, over-the-air updates, wireless software updates for continuous improvement, 15-inch touchscreen display, central control unit for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Safety, 5-star safety rating, perfect score from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, advanced safety features, blind spot detection, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Performance, rear-wheel drive, RWD, single electric motor, 326-358 horsepower, all-wheel drive, AWD, dual electric motors, 449-482 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.13.2 seconds, depending on the trim level. Top speed, 140 to 162 miles per hour. Depending on the trim level. Range and charging. Range, up to 326 miles, 525 kilometers, on a single charge, depending on the trim level. Charging time, 30-60 minutes to charge to 80% at a supercharger station. Trim levels. Model 3, base model with RWD and a range of up to 250 miles. Model 3 long range, mid-range model with RWD or AWD and a range of up to 326 miles. Model 3 performance, high-performance model with AWD and a range of up to 315 miles. Model 3 standard range plus, entry-level model with RWD and a range of up to 250 miles. Pricing, starting price, around $35,000 for the base Model 3, top-of-the-line price, around $60,000 for the Model 3 Performance with premium features. Note, prices and specifications may vary depending on your location and the current market.